Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today we discuss the area under the curve or application of integral. Area bounded by the region. Now let f be a function. F be a continuous function. Let f be a continuous function defined on interval AB. Defined on interval AB, then the area bounded by the region with x-axis and x is equal to A and x is equal to B. So the function, this is y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx. Be a curve. And x is equal to A. And x is equal to B. This curve is bounded by the y is equal to fx, y is equal to fx, x is equal to A, and x is equal to B, and x-axis, So the area under the curve from A to B, y dx is equal to A to B fx dx. So we find the area under the curve, then the function be a continuous function on the closed interval AB. Then the function y equal to fx. Y equal to fx is a curve. Then the curve is bounded by x is equal to A and x is equal to B and x-axis. All the region bounded by the curve and the line. To find the area between the curve is integral A to B y dx or integral A to B fx dx. A is the lower limit and B is the upper limit of the function. Clear? Now next, as the question number 1. Question number 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square, bounded by the curve y square equal to x. Question number 1, curve y square is equal to x and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 and x axis. Now here y square equal to x is a curve of parabola. This parabola along the x axis, because y is square, so the formation of curve, if we put x is equal to 0, then value of y equal to 0. X is equal to 0, then y equal to 0. So point 0, 0. The vertex of parabola is 0, 0. The vertex of parabola is 0, 0. This is the vertex O. O is the vertex of a parabola, and the vertex of parabola at the origin, because it passes through the 0, 0 and our origin, and the line x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 and x axis. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and x axis. So the region bounded by the curve is the shaded region. Shaded region is the region bounded by the curve. Now we find the area between the curve. Area equal to limit 1 to 4 y dx. If the area found on the x axis are taken the limit on the x axis, then the function y dx. Otherwise, if the limit taken on the y axis, then the function x dy. So here the function or the curve on x axis are along the x axis and taken the limit from 1 to 4 on the x axis, then the function y dx, that is 1 to 4 y. We find the value of y from the given function, and y equal to under root x dx, that is equal to 1 to 4 x power 1 by 2 dx is equal to x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 4 1 and 2 by 3 4 upon 3 by 2 minus 1 power 3 by 2, that's equal to 2 by 3 2 square into 3 by 2 minus 1, that's equal to 2 by 3 into 2 cancel 2 power 3 8 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 7 upon 3. So 14 by 3 unit square. 14 upon 3 is a unit square. Is the total area of the shaded region. Total area of the shaded region. Clear? Now the next question. Next question. Question number 2. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 9x, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4, and x axis in the first quadrant. The question number 2 is same as the question number 1. So now we solve the question number 3. X square is equal to 4y and y equal to 2 and y equal to 4 and y axis in the first quadrant. The given function, the function x square equal to 4y. This is the parabola along y axis. This is a parabola along y axis, and y is equal to 2, y equal to 2 and y equal to 4. Y equal to 2 and y equal to 4, and the y axis. So the bounded region is the region. The bounded region is this. Now find the area of this region 2 to 4 x dy, because the curve is on the y axis or respect to y axis, and the limit on the y axis. So we taken the area integral from a to b or 2 to 4 x dy. Therefore 2 to 4 under root 4y is the function of that. So 2 times 2 to 4 y power 1 by 2 dy, and equal to 2 y power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 power 4 2. So we write 2 into 2 by 3 y power 3 by 2 power 4 by 2, and equal to 4 by 3 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. that's equal to 4 by 3 8 minus 2 under root 2, that's equal to 8 by 3 4 minus under root 2, 8 by 3 under root 4 minus root 2. This is the area bounded region y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 and y axis between the curve. So this is the area of the region 8 by 3 bracket into bracket 4 minus under root 2. Clear? Thank you.